Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu or idle fish Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you the easy way to find latest product on idle fish or Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Xianyu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or idle fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Xianyu shopping app, just like what you see right here. Having opened up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app, go ahead and navigate to this particular button right here. So click on that. So once you click on that, it's going to load up all recently uploaded products across different categories right here. So you can see this was uploaded about 22 hours ago. This is 48 hours ago. So you can continue to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different new uploads by different sellers in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So continue to scroll down and continue to scroll down. You see different products that is just uploaded right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Xianyu or idlefish Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to follow your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.